Hi, welcome to That's the Watch. Welcome to my very first unboxing video. In early November, I bought the watch from the US site and it was shipped down to me by UPS. It's now in my hands. And let's unbox this and check it out. This is the box. Let's cut it out. It's well protected. In here is the as you can see, this is a CCCP watch. It's a wooden box. And here is the box. Let's check out the watch. It comes with the instruction manual. And here's the watch. It also has a warranty. This is CCCP automatic. The serial number is CP700103. Let's remove the plastic. Here's how it looks. This is an automatic watch that runs on a Russian movement, the Slava 2427. He has an exhibition case back in red. It's polished on the case, and there is a signed clasp. The CCCP logo on the strap, genuine leather strap. Share on my wrist. That's how it looks on my wrist. I will give you the measurement when I do the review. Okay, you've seen the watch. I'll wear this for a couple of weeks before I do my review. Did you like what you see? Please like this video, subscribe to see more unboxing, to see more watch reviews, and send to your friends, ask them to subscribe as well. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.